In this heart-opening practice, I recommend that you come into a supported reclining butterfly pose, what in yoga is known as Supta Baddha Konasana. Placing a bolster vertically aligned with your spine will allow your heart to be lifted, free, and open. However, if this is not available to you, please find a comfortable lying down posture, or you can just come into a simple seat, whatever is more comfortable for you in this moment. As we work with the heart today, the heart is the center that produces the energy of love, compassion, kindness, generosity, and gratitude, and all the benevolent qualities that is the nature of the heart. It is said that kindness is the language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Collect all of your conscious awareness into the space of the heart, as if nothing else exists in this moment but your beautiful, sacred, loving heart. Locate your heart in your body, at the center of your chest and a little to the left. And feel its warmth, its gentleness. And take an inhale, send the breath into the center of your heart. Fill your heart with love and light. Open your mouth and exhale, a cleansing, energetic release. Inhale, the heart lifts and opens. Exhale, the heart softens, rests back, the ribcage, towards the spine. Last one, inhale fully and deeply. It is safe to open the heart. And then exhale, long, emptying out. Begin to feel that energy of love, that warmth, that gentleness expand through every heartbeat. It increases in its velocity and magnitude. You can give it a color, pink light, and it continues to fill your heart. Continues to fill the heart up until it overflows. So you never give from an empty cup, only from your overflow. Fills up your chest from shoulder to shoulder. And it continues to spread through your arms and your hands. Your hands are small energy centers. It's how you exchange love with others. You touch someone, you give them a hug, they receive your warmth and gentleness. And this energy of love continues to even expand beyond your physical body of bone and flesh, creating a sphere of light 360 degrees around you from the heart. Expanding your electromagnetic signature, your aura, so you become this ball of love and light. You light up the whole room wherever you go. And like a magnet, that love comes back to you tenfold. Love is the only thing that multiplies when shared. Feel it. That's love. Right there in your heart. So peaceful. So beautiful, so warm. Stay connected with your heart. Bond with it. It is safe. It is safe for you to receive love. Safe for you to give love. It is safe for you to love yourself enough to live authentically from the center of your heart, to allow love to flow through you and around you. To open, soften. that love that you seek in every decision that you make, every place you go, everything you wear, every item you purchase. You do that because you want to feel loved. But I have news for you. That love that you seek, it's never outside of you. You have an infinite source that generates love. Like a factory, it produces unconditional love. Right there at the center of your chest and a little to the left. And you can withdraw from it at any time. You don't even need to be in meditation. It keeps giving and giving and giving. And it never runs out. And when in doubt, choose love. You can never go wrong with choosing love. It is your natural, habitual frequency. You are wired for love. And remember, kindness is the language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. It's a feeling. It's an energy. Always available in your heart. The highest, most elevated frequency is love. Gently place both of your hands on your heart now. And take a big inhale, fill your heart up one more time. Open your mouth and exhale, blast it out to the world. The world needs you and needs your love. And this practice is offered to you with love and blessing.